Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase application. To buy Ethereum on Coinbase, first of all, launch open your Coinbase application from your mobile device. Make sure that you verified a payment method linked to your account such as debit card, bank account, or funds already available in your Coinbase wallet. Now, from the main homepage, click on Buy and Sell at the bottom left corner. In the pop-up menu, click on Buy. Choose Ethereum from the list or simply type in Ethereum with the help of the search box in order to look for the Ethereum asset. Once you find Ethereum, click on it and then enter the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase, select your payment method and review the transaction to confirm your purchase. Once you review the details and agree with the fees and confirm the purchase, you will be able to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.